Testing the DJI OSMO today. New camera, new toy. Hospital appointment as well. That's where I'm walking now, over to Clifton to Nuffield, and then have a walk around Bristol, just testing the light and everything else, if it actually works, and then have a walk back and get the bus home and see what happens, see what the quality is like. Suspension Ridge is having some major work at the minute, as you can see, all the scaffolding. One of Bristol's finest, as they say. One of Bristol's best pubs, the Corrie Tap. Cider House is just down there. Want a good night out and get absolutely rat-assed? That's the place to go. I've wandered, coming through to the Clifton Village now, and then down to Nuffield. Got an hour in MRI. It's been a nightmare. Not really looking forward to it, but there we go. Alright, just coming into the hospital now. I'd imagine I have to switch it off. Spend an hour in there. Right. Wish me luck. See what happens. That's it. MRI done at Nuffield Health. It was a lot better this time. Last time it was so claustrophobic, but this time the machine was bigger, so made it a lot easier. And now I'm gonna have a wander down to the docks and grab a coffee and yeah, get something to eat. Right, having a wander down Constitution Hill, going to the docks, see what happens. I am a bit hungry now, I must admit. Really hungry. Get some food, coffee, beers maybe, who knows. It's a lovely day in Bristol, that's for sure. It's a pretty steep hill coming down there, I must admit. It's not too bad. But Brandon Hill over there. Made it. Made it down to the docks, SS Great Britain. And have a walk. Go over, where are we? That way. That way. Over there somewhere. See what happens. That little boat over there goes across the docks from that way somewhere, over there. It goes across to there. It's about £1, I think. £1 or so to get across, as far as I can remember. Saves you walking around, that's for sure. Right, we switched the mic now to the actual DJI mic itself, rather than the camera mic. Hopefully nice and clear. Good test for when I go on my other trips. Just have a wander around Bristol, see what's happening. Quite a few people around actually, but yeah. I'll actually switch the camera around, so pretty cool. Takes a bit of getting used to with a gimbal. I've used gimbals before, so it's not too bad, but you just got to get the right setting. And so far the setting is bang on, as they say. A nice walk on a Wednesday afternoon, coming from hospital. There's the docks. Glorious. Watch out for those dreaded seagulls. A nightmare. Does anyone not know what that actually does? I know it's a charity thing or something, but it doesn't move or anything. I've never seen anyone on there. being charitable. It looks a bit naff as well. Weird, and the helicopter doesn't. It's actually doesn't. It's not a real one. It's a false one. I bet you didn't know that. Is it blocked off or is it not blocked off? I think it is it? Weird. Probably not. Looks like some sort of mini concert. What's going on? Finished now. Storm. No, not today. Not today, that's for sure. Glorious today. That's better. Storm. Not today, it's not. Famous cranes of Bristol by M-Shed. M-Shed? Apparently one of them was Airbnb. How true that is another thing. Can't see it myself because you can't get out there. Famous Matthew. You can actually take a tour on that as well, up and down the river, which is pretty cool. And they have fish and chips apparently as well. And that over there is the swimming lane. Would you really swim in that? Let's be honest. When I used to go canoeing, the harbour master used to say, when you come back, if you fall in the water, have a shower straight away in the changing rooms. So that's telling you something. Swimming around in, yeah, all sorts. Apparently it's called a misconduct. It's a bit naff. Odin, was he from Norway? I think so, Viking. Named your boat after it. And there it is going back the other way, to the other side. Over there. £1.20, 30 seconds. That's not bad. So many different historical places in Bristol. This is one of them. The boatyard. Right, I think I'm going to stop for a few beers now in a minute. It's getting hot actually, so I need something a bit colder than a coffee. Yeah, I'm going to have to get there in a minute. It's a life, definitely. It's high up there though, isn't he? That is high to steer it from. Hi Sam. That's where we're heading. Over there. For a pint or two, I reckon. Why not? I can't work out why he's this busy on a Wednesday afternoon. I know it's a sunny day, but ain't nobody at work. Well, it's closed. The footpath is closed again. So we're on the other way. Right, over it is then. Let's get in for a pint. I'll get a crisp. Why not? Hopefully he's open. And it's quiet out. Is he open? Yeah, he's open. Good. Dun, dun, dun.